Hi guys, welcome back. If you want to see how I made this tasty chicken wings, please stay tuned. For our ingredients for today, I'm using hot chili powder, ginger, cayenne pepper, paprika, Nigerian dry chili, maggi, mixed seasoning, salt, vegetable oil, and chicken wings. So I have washed and cleaned the chicken wings. I'm going to use paper towel and dab it and make sure there is no water, because I want to take out most of the water off the chicken wings. So after that, I am going to mix our ingredients together. For the peppers, I'm going to add 2 scoops of the peppers. So this is paprika. I'm adding 2 scoops of paprika. Cayenne pepper. I'm adding 2 scoops of cayenne pepper. And hot chili. I'm adding 2 scoops of the hot chili. For the Nigerian dry chili, I will add only 1 scoop because this stuff is really spicy. So I added 1 scoop of that, of the Nigerian dry chili. I'm going to add 1 scoop of mixed seasoning. I'm going to add 2 scoops of ginger. I'm going to add 2 maggi. I'm going to add salt. So I'm going to mix all our ingredients together. So now I'm going to pour all our ingredients on top of the chicken. I'm going to add oil. Okay, and now we mix it with our hands. I'm going to add a little more oil. I have covered it. I am going to leave it in the fridge for 30 minutes. You can leave it longer. You can do this overnight and leave it overnight. If you want the spices to go inside the chicken very well, you can do it overnight, but 30 minutes is still fine. So yes, I am going to put it inside the fridge and I'm going to let it sit there for 30 to 40 minutes. So guys, I actually left this for a little longer because I was out doing something, so I left it for about an hour plus. But yes, it is time to put it inside the oven. So now guys, I'm going to put it inside the oven and I am going to cook it for 40 minutes in 160 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to set the oven on 160 degrees and I'm going to cook it for 40 minutes. So guys, this is after 30 minutes of putting it in the oven. I just brought it out to mix it up properly, and guys, I can smell the pepper. If you're a very peppery, spicy person, absolutely this recipe is for you. I'm going to put it back for another 10 minutes, but it is looking so done and so ready. But I'll put it back to just to make sure that everything is cooked properly. So another 10 minutes, this our chicken wings will be ready. So guys, after another 10 minutes, our chicken wings is ready, and guys, it is smelling so good and is looking so delicious and crispy. So guys, this is where today's recipe is going to end. It is absolutely looking so divine and so delicious, and the aroma is off the hook. It's smelling so good, guys. I can't possibly wait to dive in. If you're somebody that loves spicy wings, this recipe is definitely for you. Try it and you will not be disappointed. So guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.